Okay, so I went on ahead and ordered SnackCrate. Now, to those of you who do not know what SnackCrate is literally that crate of snacks, but it's from all around the world, like so from different countries. So you got Colombia, Hawaii, Germany, Hawaii, Germany, all shit like that. You feel me? So I fuck around and ordered a mystery box. No idea what country this is, no idea what's in here at all. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. So I was gonna do some other shit with it, but I just really want to eat the shit. Okay, so open sesame. You're about to find out what country I got. So I'm like, let me put my glasses on. SnackCrate. Ooh, I got Colombia. So this is like a oh, I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm gonna edit that. But this is I guess a pamphlet. This one's crates from Colombia. I mean, gives you fun facts and information on Colombia and shit, I guess. Listen to a playlist of our favorite Colombian music here. So they give you one of them tags or whatever. Don't pay no fucking attention to my else. They give you a tag or whatever the case may be. Fun facts. Colombia is classed as a mega diverse country and is home to more species of butterflies, orchids, amphibians, and birds than all of Europe and North America combined. That's dope. Boasting a vibrant music scene, Colombia is home to many famous musicians such as Shakira and Juanes. When finishing a cup of coffee, Colombians soak blocks of cheese in the cup and eat it. I'm gonna try that. So no, Bogota is a mecca for street artists. The government not only tolerates graffiti, but also encourages and sponsors street art. Colombia is home to many stunning beaches and is the only country in the South Americas featuring coastlines on both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. That's dope. We've got Colombia. Alright, so now to try the snacks. Yo, I've been so excited about this. Y'all don't even understand. Alright, so first we have Saber-round cheese rings. I ain't really a big fan of cheese rings. Saba stands for selling everything baked that is appetizing. So I guess the ingredients was in Spanish, so they put a little label on there. Contains eggs and cheese. Tell you all that. White cheese, pasteurized milk cheese. Okay, so cheese puffs, but they rings. They like onion rings, but they cheese rings. Literally. Okay. Come on. Smell nice. I don't think I like that. Yeah, I don't think I want to try that. Let me see. Yeah, I ain't really with that. So we're gonna have a light pal. Gonna be over here. Dislike pal. That's gonna go over there. Saber-round. I'm cool when you black. Next.
Onion one, bitch. Onion one.
Trululu. Huevo gomitas. New gummies. So I'm guessing these are just gummy worms, like the little trolley that we got. I like trolleys, so hopefully this is good. Try blowing. I like them. I like them.
Delightful.
What are they, like different flavors or something? I don't know. I like these though. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna fuck them up.
Nice.
Them is good. Okay. We got. Oh, I like plantains. They got them in chip form, B. What? I'm finna fuck with these. Plantains chips. Plantanitos. You see? Yo, my nails look crazy. I don't know. Maite. Mayate. Or something. Yup. It got chili and lemon flavor. I like it. Okay. They plant. Okay. I like them. They like potato chips. And they, my bad. Somebody called. But somebody, yeah, these are like potato chips in every instance of the word. So like, here we got potato chips. It just tastes like a bunch of fucking crunchy ass. I don't know. This tastes like a potato that's made into a chip. For real. It's good. Right. Now we got Achiras del Hula. I don't know.
No, don't say that.
I don't know. They are biscuits. I don't know. I'm trying to find where it's at. You ain't got nothing to tell me what it is. I don't know what the fuck this is. So, these are Colombian biscuits. These might be like little crackers. But they supposed to be snacks, so. These taste like.
You lying ass bitch.
I don't like the aftertaste at all. But this tastes like. This taste. I get. This tastes like Cheez-It Puffs. That's what that tastes like.
What the fuck is that? I'm dying this fucking country ass fucked up.
We have Jet. It's just a chocolate, milk chocolate bar. I have a few of these, so. Let's see. We're gonna tell you what it is inside. I guess it's gonna break off in pieces. It's like the Hershey's of Colombia. And it comes with something in the packet. I'm trying to take it out. Ooh. Hold on. Because I've had this thing with my boyfriend with fish and aquariums and shit. So this just came in there. It's cute. But I like this too. So we're going to put that over there. I think we're going to move this. Because I don't like the aftertaste over here.
I got it. I don't even want it.
Anything with that. But I'm going to put the back of this in the Google Translate and find out what this says. And I'll, you know, do something with that. Okay. Now. Super Cocoa. So I'm guessing this is just a coconut bar. Super Cocoa. Did you see it? Super Cocoa. Okay. It's chocolate and coconut. Let's see. I'm not really a big fan of coconut, but you know. It's like an almond joy. It's literally an almond joy. I don't really like almond joys like that, but I wasn't expecting that, so. What else we got in this muffin? We got Bonbon Bum. Bubblegum Pops. So, watermelon. I'm gonna taste it. And we got other chocolate. Ooh, this is cute! Oh, yeah. Oh, this shit go crazy.
Hold on, amigos. Y'all might have just did it.
Put that out. I should have went to them last. Cause that one's smart, but yeah, it's good.
Smackable.
It's good. I like that.
Goodness gracious.
All right. Now we also got mango. So I'm gonna try that. Same bonbon. Mango. Then to eat it.
The fuck is that?
Baby, no. 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 You can put you over here. That's another mango? Why the fuck they give me 3 of them and only 2 of the strawberry? That's probably how they come there too. Niggas in there in Colombia probably don't even like them. Okay. So, Lokino. I'm guessing, let me see. It's caramel and some other shit. We finna find out. It better not be no fucking caramel in here. Oh no, that's good. Yeah. I was scared for a second because Colombia, your orange shit ain't really doing too good. Oh, damn. So, I like this. Make sure. Yeah, that's that. Okay. Now, we got Colombiana Coffee Delights. Yo, my big ass thumb in the way. Coffee Delights. Can y'all see? Alright. They come wrapped all.
Right, so today we're learning how to efficiently pack our clothing using the Army roll method, or otherwise known as the Ranger roll method.
Now, how you supposed to eat this and the papery stuck on it? I just spit. And then papery stuck on it. I shouldn't do that. It's crazy, B. Yeah. I can't open this mother. Because I'm not eating no paper. None of that.
Do you want to know what I think?
Yeah. It's coffee like a motherfucker. We gotta be in the mood for these. Because y'all know the little coffee candies we got like this. It's not as strong as this. This shit's strong. Yeah, it's strong coffee. It ain't too bad. But I'm guessing it's caramel in the middle. That's what it say. But I don't feel like getting to that right now. So. I'll let you know later. Let me see. We have Max Coco. This is a coconut cream wafer cookie. Extra creamy. Two galletas. Galletas. That means 2 cookies.
I got 2.
Yeah, I don't know. Finna eat it. Try it. Let's see. They like the wet for cookies for real. No. Nope. Fuck you. Cause I just knew that was gonna be good. Next.
You're going to jail.
We have Bonacci. You finna taste that. Caramel and it look like nuts. Or nougat. One of them. Or all 3. Excuse me. Bonacci. It smell good.
Yes, bitch. Yes.
It tastes like a payday. I like Bonacci. I like that. Yeah. I like that. Way better than that Max Coco shit.
Oh, delicioso.
Now we have the Chocoramo. So this is like a big a big thing of chocolate. It's a chocolate covered vanilla cake. So it's cake, a vanilla cake with chocolate icing, I'm guessing. Covering.
Acaba el hambre con el chocorramo que quieras. Todos vienen cubiertos con el chocolate único de chocorramo para cada nivel de hambre.
Got it in the mail. Now. It's gonna melt on my fingers. Ooh. Y'all see the inside? It smells like angel cake. I feel like if I was a big fan of chocolate, I would really like that. But seeming as if I'm not a big chocolate fan, I don't really like that.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay, now, final item in the box is a drink, and it is called Rock Put Pastoban Manzana apple flavored soda. Pastoban. Because we have nails. Back to scissors. It's crazy. Booyah.
Porque lo que te gusta.
Oh yeah, that's very appley. Oh yeah, I'm finna fuck this. This right here was a good meal. Good snack. Very good snack. Yes. So overall, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 likes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dislikes. Thank you, Columbia. Thank you, SnackCrate. I enjoyed this experience. It's something I've been wanting to do for a minute. Finally did it, and I'm satisfied. I'm gonna fuck these plantain chips up with this apple soda. And I'm out. NadiAli, you follow me on Instagram at _NadiAli_. Facebook, NadiAli, 2 names, or Nadia Edwards, either or. Snapchat, and _DOEE. Any other social engine you need to find me on, hit me up on any of those, and I'll get it straight to you. Thank you.
location be loud. Me and my niggas was smoking and scrolling, and next thing you know, you got lokes in your house. So fucking ski mask, but I'm cold. I jack a 3, but I hit you with 4. I'm in the lead, but I'm hungry for more. NadiAli, if you bitches ain't know. They say that I'm hot, but I'm colder than froze. I am the greatest to go. I ain't learned stop, so I'm always gon' go. I'm coming for next, put the dick in the throat. Wait, I cannot fuck with a tweak, bitch. Show a face in the club every week, bitch. Poppin' pussy, then it's getting leaky, bitch. Moving rocky, you bitches is silly. Not on my right, and it came from the Billy. Tray on my left, yeah, I'm keeping it with me. And I'm jacking Crips, so you know I get jiggy. Wait, I cannot fuck with a tweak, bitch. Show a face in the club every week, bitch. Poppin' pussy, then it's getting leaky, bitch. Moving rocky, you bitches is silly. Not on my right, and it came from the Billy. Tray on my left, yeah, I'm keeping it with me. And I'm jacking Crips, so you know I get jiggy. So you know I get jiggy. Bully and I'm pretty. Told you that I was the GOAT. Bitches be talking they shit like they bossing and shit, but they envy I leave on the low. If I wanna off me a bitch, that'll cost me a grip. So I slide on the bitch on my own, so leave me alone. Fuck the plotting on the phone. Conversations about what you want. Bitch, I'm a G. Second letter after E. Blood got a whole lot of C's. Look at you hit, got a stick on the hip. Got my left leg stiff from the hip to the knee. Fuck is you on? What in the fuck is